Welcome to this property tour. We hope you enjoy it. Gorgeous, well-maintained and updated home in desirable Mint Hill location. From the moment you drive up through the moment you walk in, you will fall in love with this home. Open floor plan with many updates that have been done to the home, including, but not limited to, Trex deck, railings, screened-in porch and HVAC system added in 2018. 3 walk-in and other custom-built closets throughout, irrigation system, tin ceilings. Private home office west/vaulted ceiling. Primary bedroom on main level, on separate side of the house from the other bedrooms. Primary bathroom completely remodeled in 2021 to include spacious walk-in glass shower, updated tile and cabinetry. 2 of the remaining 3 bedrooms have walk-in closets and share Jack and Jill bathroom. Side load 2-car garage with plenty of room for